Welcome to the Capitals of the World quiz. You will answer questions about the capital cities of different countries. Choose the correct answer from 4 options. You have 10 seconds for each question. Ready? Let's go. Have fun! Question number 1. Which city is the capital of Australia? The correct answer is Canberra. The capital city of Australia, Canberra, was carefully planned and designed specifically to be the capital. Next, what is the capital of France? The correct answer is Paris. Paris, the capital of France, is often referred to as the City of Love and is famous for its iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. Number 3. Which city is the capital of Brazil? The correct answer is Brasilia. Brasilia, the capital of Brazil, was built in just 4 years and was designed by the renowned architect Oscar Niemeyer. Number 4. What is the capital of Japan? The correct answer is Tokyo. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is the most populous city in the country and is known for its advanced technology, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine. Moving on to number 5. Which city is the capital of India? The correct answer is New Delhi. New Delhi, the capital of India, is home to the largest democracy in the world and is rich in history, architecture, and diverse cultures. Number 6. What is the capital of Canada? The correct answer is Ottawa. Ottawa, the capital of Canada, is renowned for its stunning Gothic Revival architecture, including the historic Parliament Hill. Number 7. Which city is the capital of South Africa? The correct answer is Pretoria. Pretoria, the capital of South Africa, is known for its beautiful jacaranda trees that line its streets, painting the city with vibrant purple blossoms during springtime. For number 8, what is the capital of Italy? The correct answer is Rome. Rome, the capital of Italy, is home to the Vatican City, an independent city-state and the spiritual center of the Roman Catholic Church. Moving on to number 9. Which city is the capital of Mexico? The correct answer is Mexico City. Mexico City, the capital of Mexico, is one of the largest cities in the world and sits atop the ruins of the ancient Aztec city of Tenochtitlan. Lastly, what is the capital of China? The correct answer is Beijing. Beijing, the capital of China, is home to some of the most famous landmarks, including the Great Wall and the Forbidden City. That concludes our quiz on the capitals of the world. Well done if you got all the answers correct. Keep learning and exploring the fascinating world we live in.